That's what most people look like at the end of the day because they've been juggling all day long and they think, oh my gosh, I love the people I work with, I love what I do, but I'm going crazy because I just cannot get everything done. I wanted to tell you a quick story about a client of mine. His name is Simon, and he was the manager of an IT help desk. He had a team of 6 people, 6 subordinates, and they were coming to him constantly with questions all day long. He also had a supervisor who worked just down the hallway who would come into his office and ask him questions all day long. The supervisor would also come in and make demands. I need this by Monday. I need this by this afternoon. So Simon is sitting there getting demands and questions from the supervisor, getting requests and questions from the subordinates, and between all of that, he could never get anything done. He felt like he was constantly behind, everybody was always interrupting him, and he was running out of time. He would have these fabulous to-do lists because he planned the way I asked him to, but he could never implement those to-do lists because he always ran out of time. Now, one of his issues is that he worked in a friendly environment. I am not called into hostile work environments because people don't talk to each other, therefore they don't interrupt each other. They don't have those issues. I get called into happy places where people get along, and there's such a comfort level, they feel like I can go up to so-and-so and ask them absolutely anything. And the interruptions start to add up. And then productivity lowers because you cannot get anything done.